Now, how do we fold our work? Over here I did German cast on method. What we do, if we work flat, it's quite easy to specify where the corner is. If you work in the round, I would say mark the first stitch when you're casting on. Okay, how do we do that? We fold, and I try to see stitches on the edge. So you could see 1, 2, 3, 4. See them? This sample is just knit, and because we don't have that many stitches, you could actually see where the stitch finish if you go down the column, which one is which one. Obviously when you fold it, it may be easier or it may be harder. The idea of folding is to grabbing a stitch from the edge, putting it on the needle, and then knitting or purling 2 stitches together, depends what the pattern tells you. So you can see I just lift and move through. I just lift, let's show you the purl. I'm moving over here and I'm just purling if patterns tells you to purl. That's it.